Putting together e-learning content and unsure of what structure will suit your learners best? Here's a 3-part series covering 8 types of e-learning to consider based on the level of content adaptability, instructor-learner interaction, and student collaboration you need. Part 1 will look at fixed and adaptive e-learning styles. Part 2 will focus on synchronous, asynchronous, linear, and interactive e-learning, while Part 3 will cover individual versus collaborative e-learning, as well as items to consider when choosing an e-learning type. Each part will also go over which situations work best with each style, as well as the pros and cons. Fixed and adaptive e-learning. With fixed e-learning courses, every learner receives the same type of information as set by instructors. It's a more traditional and older style of learning, where the course content stays the same after it's formed and doesn't adapt according to student preferences. This type of style best suits environments where learners have the same skills and schedules. Fixed e-learning courses also work well when completion is time-sensitive, for example, with fixed curriculums. From a creation perspective, it also may be easier to apply a one-size-fits-all approach. Something to consider with fixed e-learning is that with this style, it's hard to accommodate a variety of e-learning needs, and it doesn't consider the learning abilities of your individual students. On the other side of the coin is adaptive e-learning, which adjusts according to every learner's requirements. Parameters such as student goals, abilities, and performance are considered to ensure that the learning material is tailored to each individual. This style of learning is suitable for students who study flexible hours, prefer to study at their own pace, and are also highly disciplined. The benefits of adaptive e-learning include higher learning retention rates and engagement. However, a disadvantage is that planning and implementation can be complex. Instructors need to have suitable software and technical knowledge to ensure that they can record, understand, and adapt to their students' needs. Instructors may also face setbacks when trying to meet the enormous number of e-learning schedules and requirements on a wide-scale level. Fixed and adaptive e-learning both have their benefits and negatives, with a key difference between the two being how convenient it may be to implement versus catering to a diverse range of learners. Continue to Part 2 to learn about e-learning styles, which cover varying degrees of instructor and learner interaction. Want to learn more tips and strategies? Visit interserv.com.au to find out how we can help you with your education and training needs.